Hello everyone, it's Lizzie and welcome to my channel. So today I'm actually going to be doing an unboxing from Saint Laurent. So I posted about a week ago a shop with me to Saint Laurent, so if you want to see that, definitely hit the link down below, and there I kind of show you this bag as well as a few other bags that I tried on. But yeah, I absolutely loved this is the first time that I've actually shopped in Saint Laurent. Like, I've been in the stores before, but I haven't. It's just been browsing, but this is the first time that I had an intention of buying something. If you care to know, if you watch the vlog, you know that I went to the Saint Laurent store on Old Bond Street, which I'm so happy about because I went on a weekend, and obviously on a weekend everybody's out, there's tourists, there's people shopping, it's just crazy. But I guess because of COVID they only allowed a limited amount of people in the store, which was great because then I really got time to try on the bags and speak to the SA. She was able to just explain things to me and just making sure that I was making the right decision. So I would highly recommend going to the Saint Laurent store on Old Bond Street, because I just felt like it was just a lot more calm in comparison to when I went to Selfridges, and it was just so many people I couldn't even function. It was just manic and I can't think straight when there's just so many things going on. But anyway, let's get back into the unboxing. If you watch my vlog, you probably have an idea of what I got, but this is a true unboxing because I haven't actually looked in it. Obviously I know the bag, but I haven't looked in it or used the bag or anything like that. So this is what the box looks like. Of course, I love Saint Laurent packaging. I just feel like it's so sleek and classic. They don't do too much. It's just, you know, just like a classic black box. So let's just open it. Ugh. So it's in the dust bag, of course. The SA that was attending to me, she put extra tissue in here, so just in case when I'm not using the bag, I can keep its shape. So yeah, I've got tons of tissue. It just comes in this dust bag, and voila! Yes. Oh my god, she's so gorgeous. I'm obsessed. I absolutely love it. As you can see, I haven't, you know, taking it out of the packaging or anything. So let me just remove this. Oh wait, hold on, I'm so confused. Okay, so I guess I need to just adjust the straps, put the strap in myself. I'll just do it. Oh gosh, I got scared for a second. I thought the bag was So this is the bag with all its glory. It's the Saint Laurent Lou camera bag, and obviously the black and gold hardware. Obviously I wear gold all the time. You will never see me wear silver. I just don't wear it. Gold is my thing. It's just classic and timeless. This is of course in the 100% calf skin leather. So the SA did explain to me that you don't have to baby it, but it is prone to scratches and things like that. But she said because I'm going with a black bag, it's going to be a lot easier to care for. But it's just so soft and oh, I love it so much. I absolutely love it so much. Obviously it has the adjustable strap, and then it also comes with the tassel that I guess I can attach. But I don't know how I feel about the tassel. How I feel about the tassel, I don't know. Let me know in the comments if you like the tassel. I don't know if I should just do without it or use it, but this is what the bag looks like. This is the top. Oh, I love it so much. So if you watch my vlog, you know that I also tried on the toy Lulu as well as the small Lulu and the mini Lulu as well. But I really liked the toy Lulu, which has just jumped up in price. It's more expensive than this, and when I first started looking at the toy Lulu, it was actually less than this. So the price increase, I guess because it's becoming super popular, so you know, Saint Laurent have increased their prices. But the essay basically said to me that I should go for this one just because it is a bigger bag. The Toy Lulu does have a compartment in the middle, so it's just very restrictive in terms of what you can fit in there. Like, it's not a big bag at all. I mean, neither of these are big bags, they're mini bags of course, but this one I feel like I can fit a small umbrella, which is important because it rains here all the time. But let me just open it. Okay, so she stuffed the bag for me because I was quite concerned because in the store when I tried on like this bag in different colors, I noticed that the top was kind of like, I noticed that the shape was changing and the top was all weird and funny, and I said to her, I hope my bag is not going to be like that, and she just said that was a display bag, so many people are trying it on, and of course it's being used literally every day by different customers. But she just said to just stuff the bag. I said not to use any like leather treatments or anything on the bag. So that you can see, it's a really spacious bag. It has one like compartment here. Oh, and what is this? Is this my receipt? I don't know. But yes, overall I absolutely love this bag. I love the quilted leather and like this kind of chevron pattern. I think it's so gorgeous and timeless. I also feel like it's a bag that's not going to run out of style because it's really basic. Like, it's a basic black bag with the YSL logo. I also looked at the dark beige, which is a stunning beige color, but I felt that, well, she actually told me you have to be careful in terms of what you're wearing because of color transfer. So I just said, you know what, I'm going to go with the black, and I'm so happy about that. In terms of pricing, I totally forgot about that. So in terms of pricing, this bag retails for £1,070, and in the US it retails for $1,350. When I actually started wanting this bag, it was $1,000, and I thought, oh, that's like a decent price, and it went up by £70 and I almost had a heart attack. That's not like a huge increase, but it is an increase, and I just thought, you know what, with the way these luxury brands are going, they are constantly increasing their prices, and I don't want to get to a point where I eventually want to get it and then like it's, you know, it's gone up by a crazy amount and it's not worth it anymore. But overall I am so happy with this bag. I don't really have anything else to say. Like, when I start using it, maybe I will do like a review in about maybe 3 or 6 months time to see how it's holding up. But again, this is just how it looks. I love how soft and like plushy and just luxurious it feels. I just love, I love everything about YSL. I just think everything about, for me, YSL gives me like timeless vibes. Like, everything about them, or a lot of their bags, I feel like are timeless, and I don't feel will go out of style so quickly. But yeah, I'm gonna end this video here because I feel like I've been talking and just been all over the place. But yeah, overall I'm so happy with this bag. Let me know if you have this bag, how is it holding up. Should I do a what's inside my bag so you know like what, you know, fits and how much items it can take. Let me know in the comments. But thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.